My name is Walter, like he said. I'm a poet, and I made an acronym for poet, and it actually stands for I prevail over every tribulation. But I'm a famous rapper. Y'all just don't know it yet. Y'all gonna see me on TV and be like, oh, that's him. Yeah, it's gonna be like that. But I'm about to say this poem for y'all, and it's called The Journey Ahead. The journey ahead is dark. I can't see anything. The mist and the blackness is my guide to redemption. The scent of the water is my refreshing memory that I will make it to my destination. I was made from small particles of lost souls and love that was lost in the wind. In a world where I'm held together by my sins, I am condensed into a cloud. A cloud much darker and loud than any other ever to touch the sky, because I am the storm. The journey ahead will be the cold fronts meeting the warm, a tsunami that no one will be warned of. The journey ahead is still black, but I am not ripe enough. I must not be right enough to overflow the fruits of my labor onto this bloodthirsty land. I keep my heart in the palm of my hands as I look to the journey ahead, because I know it will not be fun. And I know sometimes it may seem hopeless, but me, as one raindrop in an open ocean, I say the journey ahead will get better. Because we are the storm that is soon to come, passing relentlessly, inevitably, regretless. It gets hectic, but we will be resurrected from the mental slavery that has killed us. But I can't do it alone. We all know that the rainbow comes after the storm is gone, but we have to be the ones to make the storm come, because we are the storm. Thank you all.